Hello there, my name's John Marc. I absolutely love using my imagination and I love playing pretend. I also really enjoy playing dress-ups, but I don't often have enough costumes or the right costumes or enough clothes to play dress-ups. But what I do have is a mirror, just like the one that I've stuck you in. And I've also got these. These are markers. Now these ones here are whiteboard markers, and I have a lot of them because I'm actually a primary school teacher. And if you don't have markers at home, that's okay. I'm going to show you a way that you can just use normal texters and pencils and still play on our mirrors. Now, this morning, I looked in the mirror while I was brushing my teeth, and I looked at myself and I thought, John Marc, I wonder what you'd look like if you had a big, purple, fluffy beard. So I tried with all my might to try and grow a big, purple, fluffy beard out of my face and went, I focused and nothing came out. But I remembered that I've got this purple marker and I've got this mirror. So let's see what it looks like if I've got a purple beard. I might put my beard just over here, just this. Yeah. Big, fluffy purple beard, just like that. What do you reckon? I think I'd go bigger. Just bigger and fluffier, just like that. Hey, what do you think? Look good? Does it suit me? Put a little bit more on the moustache, just like that. Big, fluffy beard. Hello. What about eyebrows? Let's make some big fluffy eyebrows. Just like this. Actually, let's make one big fluffy eyebrow. Whoa, one big monobrow. Just like that. Hello, my name's Barry. I'm Barry, the purple beard man. Now, like I said, if you don't have markers at home, don't worry. You can also just use pencils, texters, and a bit of paper, right? And then you can cut out your shapes and place them on your mirror. Here is a pirate hat that I made. Here's a little pirate hat. Let's put that pirate hat just up there, just like that. So if you can't see the top of it. And I'm just gluing it on my mirror with some blue tape, but you might like to use sticky tape or anything else. And I even made a little eye patch. Let's put that eye patch just here, just like that, underneath the pirate hat. There you go. Now I've got a beard and I've got a pirate hat and eye patch. Now I'm ready to play pretend. Hello, my name's Barry. I'm here about the job interview. Oh, job interview, huh? You're right. So you'd like to be a pirate, would you? Yeah, I've always thought about it. I really enjoy fishing, and I like eating oranges, so yeah, I thought being a pirate could be cool. Arr, pirates. Pirates, you want to be a pirate? Well, if you want to be a pirate, Barry, and your beautiful purple beard, then you must answer this question. What is your favorite letter? What is my favorite? Well, if I want to be a pirate, my favorite letter would be the letter R. Get it? No, wrong. If you want to be a pirate, your favorite letter should be the C. Get it? The C. Look, we're out there all the time. Oh, I've got to go. Bye. Now, the beautiful thing about mirrors and markers is that when you're finished, you just wipe it off. I've used just a bit of paper towel, right? But you might have a whiteboard cleaner at home that you'd like to use. And if you're using paper with some textures, like the drawing, like my pirate hat, then you can just peel that off your mirror and no one will ever know. Now sometimes I don't feel like playing dress-ups, but I still want to play a game, still want to have some fun, and I can still use my mirror and my markers. I'm going to grab this one here, a black one, and then I figured you can make a maze, right? So here. Let's make a maze just like this. I'm gonna pretend the ending. I'm gonna put an arrow right here because this is where you start, and then this is where you finish. Just like that. Now, I'm making a maze. This might be a good place for a time lapse. And there you go. I've made a little maze. Now, I've decided that this is my nose maze. So I'm gonna put the little texture on my nose, and I'm gonna try and figure out how to get through this maze just using the texture on my nose. I'll start here, and then we go. We go up here. We go up here. No. Oh no, that's the right way. We'll go down here. Okay, we can only go up this way. Well, that looks like there's nothing in there. We go up and around. Oh, this is really hard to control with my nose. Down this way. Oh, past this big kind of black thing. Up. Nope, not in there. There it is. Yeah, there it is. Yay! There you go. So you can make a maze on your mirrors. Mirrors, markers, and mazes. We can also make environments and atmospheres. Right, follow me to the shower.
You might even like to draw whole settings like I have. I built an aquarium in my shower. So there you have it. The opportunities are endless. You can make or draw whatever you like on your mirrors with your markers. You can make faces, you can make horns coming out of your head. You can also add atmosphere, make trees and leaves and the wind and the sun, just like we did with the aquarium, right? Put lots of little details on there. You can also play games. Maybe you can play tic-tac-toe or you can make a maze just like I did and have someone else come in and play it. All you ever need is a mirror or a window. You can also use a window and some markers. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.